Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make suya, right in our own kitchen. And the video I made before this was how to make your suya spice. If you have not yet watched the video, please do by clicking on it to watch how it is done. So today we're going to be making suya, like I said, and suya is sold as street food in Nigeria. Every part of Nigeria we just enjoy suya, especially in the evening or weekends when you see big cars and people queuing just to buy suya. You don't need to miss home, you can do that in your own kitchen. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our homemade suya, we'll be needing ginger powder, some oil, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, my homemade seasoning, and my homemade suya spice. Also some beef, and this has been sliced. Just allow your beef to be frozen a little bit, not 100% frozen, then you slice them out. I like them like this, especially when they are going on skewers. I like to cut them that size for the skewers. So what I'll be doing now is I will mix all these spices together, and the measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box. Ginger, onion, garlic, my suya spice or atasuya, homemade seasoning, salt. Mix them together, then add the oil. The oil will keep the beef moist. So now what we'll do is we have to massage our beef. Just make sure everything is well coated. It's going to be moist because we added the oil, and you can keep them in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours, or you can put them on the skewer, then put them in the fridge on the street of Lagos, or even the northern part of Nigeria. Everywhere in Nigeria you get this suya, especially in the evening time. What about weekend? You see the suya men. So I'll be putting everything on not everything, I may leave some on the skewer, and I'll show you what to do next. Now look at our suya on the skewers. What I'm going to do now, look at them, they look so beautiful, don't they? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dust the suya. It's not yet cooked, but I'm going to dust them with extra suya spice or atasuya. So this will make it so easy for me. Just do it this way, you see, everywhere will be coated. And don't forget to soak your skewers in water. The best way to do that is to soak them overnight, that when they get into the fire they won't get burnt. But we are going to put ours in the oven. So turn them over like I'm doing. I've turned them over and coating both sides. So that's it. It's ready to go into the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours. See how we have become suya men and women right in our own kitchen. So if you want to know how I made my suya spice, you need to check out for the video. And you can do it this way too if you don't have skewers. Just make sure they are well spread out, because we are using the oven. That's why I've put them in on top of the oven tray. 4 to 6 hours in the fridge. Catch ya. Now it's time to put the coated raw meat into the oven. I've already preheated my oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and it's going to be there for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, our suya will be ready. Our suya is ready. And you know the way their bookies used to serve it for you in Nigeria, when they will put it on the newspaper, inside the newspaper, and they will give you slices of onions, tomatoes and cucumber. And what I would like to do is, for garnishing, I will just sprinkle the attached. For this, I'm going to eat my cucumber, onion, and suya. Have a taste. Oh, that was so wonderful, so full of, I don't even know how to say it. It reminds me of Nigeria. Oh, so we have brought Nigeria into our own kitchen. This suya is spot on. You need to try this recipe. It's so simple to make. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, and as you explore, you discover a lot. Like today, we have discovered that we can do suya right in our own kitchen, and you saw how easy it was. And when I was biting, chewing the suya, oh my days, that was just too lovely. And you can do it yourself. So if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you share this video with your friends and family? Let them be able to know how to do it themselves. And give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you have not. Don't forget also to click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.